Care and maintenance is super straightforward. Avoid abrasive surfaces coming in contact with the top, like sharp, wire brushes, sandpaper, that sort of thing. Keep that off the top surface of plate to keep it pristine. So for little scuffs and smudges on the top surface, just a wet rag is all you need for that. Do not use isopropyl alcohol, that will damage the adhesive. And then flip it over, and just take a vacuum cleaner and suck out all the debris that can accumulate around the mechanisms. You may want to open them up so you can get into the corners, and with that vacuumed, you're good to go. Another note to keep things in good condition: whilst the anti-slip mat is firmly adhered down, some double-sided tapes can be super aggressive. So never apply a double-sided tape to the bottom. If you ever need, just make sure you keep dust off the anti-slip surface, and you should get enough friction to keep plate from moving, or move along to clamps if you need that. And then a quick pointer: before you begin cutting, be sure to stow your reticle and your fence. In this state, you're not going to collide with them by mistake. We have a Shaper Hub project that shows you a safe cut area. Bring that into your workspace, align it centered to your plate, and that will just remind you where is safe to cut, and try to remind you to avoid cutting beyond that. Should any parts become damaged, call support and they will guide you through the process of replacing those yourself.